You're doing one of the APA things by trying to connect the dots.
But I can say this for sure, it's a Gali APA film.
So yeah, so
And that's complete Gali APA.
Should I hold it for you?
No, I'm
No,
ready
you're
for you.
being chivalrous, okay, thank you.
so sweet co-actors.
You may have not otherwise.
Yeah, what is he not chivalrous on set?
You're thinking?
No, yeah, he is. But I'm not particularly a fan of chivalry or anything like that. No?
Because that is
I love
sexism. It's
Yeah, that is actually
Why do you say
someone
that?
pull a chair
Okay.
and he was
Okay, fine.
yeah.
Okay,
No, but
that's
he's
great.
very sweet. Yeah. So I think he'd do that. He'd pull
You
a
can
chair.
carry the groceries back home.
No, but sometimes chivalry, it seems like a front, no, for something you're trying to hide. So even overtly chivalrous boys are like, weird.
What do you
But
mean?
He's a good guy.
Yeah.
We love him.
He
He's very
seems like a
cool.
good guy.
Okay.
He's a very sweet. and
Basically, all these girls on Girl Appa, complete yappas. Okay, and don't listen to anything that they say. We are well brought up men who know how to look after our women, and that's what chivalry is.
So, but tell us, in the trailer, what we can make of it? It feels like you both are like pitched against each other or something like that.
Like he's out to find you,
Yeah.
get you, and you're
But is he
running
find
away.
me? Never.
So that's what happens, no? When you take a film, you're pitched against each other only. It's like starring opposite.
Yeah. But so how is it? Considering you both are like so friendly like this, so how is it?
You know,
shooting together?
I must say this that Arjun and I have met a few times socially and all that. Like we do at award functions, we meet each other and we're very polite and
Chivalrous.
But when I met him on the first day of Kahani 2, I just felt like, I'd met a friend because the way he hugged me, the moment he gave me that hug, I just felt like, oh, I know him forever. He's really warm. He's like that with everyone I've said.
But you're so warm yourself.
Like,
As
so
guess
it's
yeah, imagine
there's
the warmth they
She's not
serve
warm,
in
she's
you.
hot.
No.
Now, is that sexist?
No, that's
No,
not
no.
No, that's cool.
That's
Yeah?
all we
Alright.
found.
Hot's cool.
All compliments are allowed.
Yeah.
No matter how objective.
Thank you. No, I was going to say actually we're so warm that there's so much
on
heat
set,
in
yeah.
Kahani too.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's what we're going to
Sizzling.
do.
Kahani 2 is hot.
Yeah, and so was the weather while you were
It was 50 degrees. Yeah.
But so Kahani 1 had a lot of guerrilla shots and all, na? But
Yeah.
this maybe here you have some.
Yeah, but not.
इसमें हमारी budget बढ़ गई थी तो we didn't have to go very
Permissions
far.
will lead.
Also in terms of treatment, I think it's different. It's not so much guerrilla shooting. Yeah.
And it seems like obviously a lot of stress in the film and everything. But you guys seem to be having a lot of fun on set because we saw the recent making of it.
Oh, the dancing.
Yeah, the dancing like constantly. You're like, wow, how do you do that?
Yeah, because
So Jimmy
I think
and
there's Shuja is a closet dancer. That's what he actually wants
It's a
to do.
closet lot of things.
So he's constantly, if I do anything on set, he'll imitate me. So at various points of time, my manager, me and all have taught him steps and he's just gone ahead and done, especially this.
He loves showing his cleavage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a
He's
deeper
a-
cleavage than anyone. He puts me to shame, so I've stopped showing.
I can't say this.
No, you can.
Can?
You can.
Come on, any other
No, but it's amazing. His cleavage gets deeper every time you meet him.
I don't want to be part of it. Really, okay.
So what about yours? Okay,
Just
I think Anton's feeling left out. What about yours?
We got to see what you did it.
Okay, so which is okay. First of all, tell me that does it like I feel that when you're for you this is the first this is your first Kahani
Yeah.
thing, and we're working with Sujoy. You're doing it for the second
No,
time.
actually, in every film there's a kahani.
Ah.
Oh, sorry. somewhere as an actor that you already Kahani is the hit, like a super duper hit or whatever. Now you're going with that baggage. I mean, there is a little bit of that baggage that people are expecting it. I mean, of course, they're expecting what they're expecting in absolute terms, but there's bound to be that comparison. So does that
No, I
scare you?
think that's wonderful to have, you know, that because they watched Kahani, they are going to be interested in Kahani too. Even before they saw the trailer, made up their minds to watch
That they
the
will
film.
like it.
No, that they want to watch the film.
Yeah.
So, you know, I think that is a very positive starting point.
Yeah.
And then, of course, they like the trailer. But I don't think it's baggage. Maybe if we made Kahani 2 a year within Kahani,
Then that's
there would have
baggage.
been that much more pressure.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
No,
And
and I
what
think
about-
what happens with when you do like a sequel or you do a franchise, in this case a franchise which has got nothing to do with the previous one. I think what's really nice is when there is already a benchmark and a barometer that has been set. Okay, you don't get complacent. You know, that pressure allows you to put in that much more effort and you know, no, what a film really does. Finally, the audience see it and they decide, you know, how much they like it or dislike it, or you know, love it or take it becomes a blockbuster commercially or whatever. Those things are not in our hands.
And those
But
will happen
so
as
you
they
just
happen.
go and you have that great experience of working, and the experience has been fantastic. It's a great film, according to us. Okay, and I'm sure people won't be disappointed, according to us.
Yes.
Quite
What
sure
are the
of that.
questions?
Guys, ask us questions because they are very busy people. And
Yes,
they're
we are.
always sitting up.
So right now there's just lots
Like
of love
lots
coming
of
for you
love
guys.
you, I love you, and
I love
everything.
you.
ma'am.
Keep this sweet home.
Oh,
What
Okay.
keeps you going? Oh, that's a good one.
What keeps you going? And what's your all-time inspiration?
what keeps me going?
Yeah.
Both of you.
Okay.
Both.
Go one.
I think what keeps me going is my love for myself. No, really.
Yeah,
That's
girls.
what,
Nice.
that's what keeps me going. You know, I want to keep doing something when there are ups or downs. You pick yourself up and you move forward, or you enjoy the highs. So that's what it is. What's my inspiration? I think anyone who's just being themselves and trying to live their lives on their own terms. So it could be anyone, not just people like
Celebrities or actors.
just
Everyday
anyone from everyday people from different walks of life. I remember when I used to travel to Xavier's from Chembur, because I studied at Xavier's, I would watch so many women on the train juggling so many different things. You know, they were cutting vegetables on the train. They were sharing their mother-in-law stories, and then going to work and coming back, and you know, also trying to read the newspaper and keep up with what was happening. Girls were attending college and then doing part-time jobs. It's just like, and trying to, you know, have a little romance on the train.
Yeah.
So
And
doing
So
everything.
girls on a train keep you going. Wonderful.
So that's going to be my next film.
Girls on a train.
And what about you?
There's a wonderful book called Girl
Girl
on
on
a
a
Train.
Train,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the book.
They made a
This
film
is also
also.
based on.
Yeah.
Spielberg.
I think life in general. When you're living, you got to keep going, and you're not just embracing life every single day. And my profession really helps because it's not monotonous and boring. So you know, every day is different. Yeah, so that's I think what keeps you going.
And then when you meet
I think
really
it's
interesting people,
My inspiration. I think my inspiration right now is definitely my kids. You know, I really get inspired by them to do something for them because they are very difficult to please. So I really have to raise my game.
So you're father to two girls.
Yes, that's
It's
right.
a girl channel. What would you like to say?
To the two girls,
And
Who are probably watching the channel.
Probably watching.
who you think my
Yeah.
girls? Both are watching it. Get off it right now. No, I think women are wonderful and more power to them and lots of apples.
It's also International Men's Day today.
Oh, is it?
Yay!
See, chivalry.
How
well
about
is-
chivalry
yeah,
is
they're
we
totally
take
about
care
girls,
of your,
girls, girls.
all our lives. You know, so if you all pull a chair or open the door, it's okay.
It's no big deal.
Like
What
relax.
do you mean you take care of
Yeah, but you know, women are givers, women are nurturers, women are giving you birth.
Both. And
There,
everything
that
else.
was the biggest mistake. There lies the biggest mistake.
Let's it up. Let's go back.
Look at how many human beings you created in this planet. There are no trees, everything is getting destroyed.
But maybe
It's
assure
all
you
about
that the
people,
sea is
and they're
not
making
ours.
bombs.
Yeah. It's a two-way business.
No, it's.
So moving on from the sex ed class.
How was the experience working with Arjun Rampal?
Oh, absolutely fabulous. Like I said, we just hit it off the moment we met. And he's a very easy actor to work with. He's on set, he's doing what's required of him as an actor, but he's, when off camera, he's not also bitching people out, which I find extremely...
He's not.
He's not bitching people out.
So
I love that.
gossip.
No. And I really like that. But we had so much fun. There were other things to talk about.
Yeah.
And you had Sujoy Ghosh, the complete entertainer, and all the time was doing something or the other. So we got along very well, and I really enjoyed working with Arjun as an actor.
Now tell the truth. No, it's been amazing. I mean, we really got along really well. That's like the biggest challenge, you know what I mean, when you get into doing a film, that everybody needs to really be together on the same page, and we got that right.
No, I think, and this is not a
because our film has a diary, so we all had to be on the same page. I have to bring the focus back to Kahani at all times.
Yeah.
Who has the best sense of humor on that set? Like who had?
on the set of Kahani 2. We just keep saying Kahani 2 every
Kahani
2 December 2.
Kahani 2 December 2.
Yeah.
The sense of Kahani to December 2 had the best sense of humor. Back to you.
I think Sujoy Ghosh.
Yeah.
I don't think he misses.
He doesn't have a good sense of humor, but it just goes on and on and on. Yeah.
And
So
so
something
So from 100 jokes that he cracks, you will like 4 or 5. You know.
But
But they'll be good.
But it's also his mannerisms. Yeah, he's always jumping. He's doing funny things, and I don't know. He's a bit of a.
He's a whacked out, and that shows also in his characters of Kahani 2. That they all are quite wacky. You know, there's a very serious plot, a very serious, story. It's got a lot of suspense and drama and all of that. But at the same time, I think the treatment of it, the way he makes the quirkiness, the wackiness that he brings out in each character, makes it very accessible to everybody. So I could watch this film with my kids, with my family, sit there and then take back so much from it and have a really wonderful discussion post the film. So, of Kahani 2. And you keep discussing Kahani 2.
After December 2, because it releases that day.
Yeah. And then in 2019, you will have Kahani 3, which we will discuss with you.
But right now that we're talking about Kahani 2, there's a question for Kahani 2,
Okay.
which is complete the sentence. Jahan Durga Rani Singh, wahan dash.
Wahan Mini.
बहुत सारा
Mini. Mere Mini.
And there's so many hearts are coming in.
यहाँ दुर्गा रानी सिंह वहाँ बहुत सारी मुसीबतें.
It's just love.
What is it?
Yeah, so lots of love back to all of you.
The hearts are coming.
Like this is how you make the heart. Right?
Hi, ma'am, Arjun sir. How was your experience shooting in Chandhan Nagar? It's my hometown.
Oh, who's this?
This is Anurag Day.
Anurag Day. Oh, you know that station there? When we were shooting. But yeah, lovely people.
Yeah.
Really, all
Where is
people.
Chandhan Nagar?
It's one of the first from Cal.
It was a French colony.
Yeah.
It was a wonderful architecture and all that.
And it's
So we didn't see any part of the French part. So it took us into the Brit part.
No, but it's also a very small town with, it's lazy. It's just like the wonderful thing is that there were
the big shutter. It not have a door.
Yeah,
No, it had a shutter. So then they used to shut the hotel. The shutter would come down. So the first night that I was there, I thought I was getting kidnapped or something. You know, I thought they like taking me. Yeah.
fiction, like,
Yeah,
that's
it was
happening.
like-
Yes, but that time I meant to say that.
Oh my God, Arjun,
But
you're
she
so
do this,
handsome.
is she a prankster?
She complete. The nicest part about Vidya that I thought that she'd be like serious method actor, you know, was just
This always there.
yeah, and in a zone, and it'd be really boring, and you know, and just going to, and it was such a revelation because she's such a prankster. She's got like so much of childlike qualities and mischief in her, which actually makes it so easy for everybody on the set. You know, the way she creates the atmosphere, and you know, we had a lot of fun.
Have you pranked him ever? One
No,
time?
he did.
He pranked you.
Yeah, he pranked me. So he was standing in
Okay, we are being heard a prankster. You're not telling us about your story.
I'm sorry, I have to keep the questions because we have. Why are you hiding behind the pillow? Why, guys? Arjun so handsome, Vidya so beautiful.
Which designer are you wearing with you?
Which
I think he means right now. Na? She,
Yeah.
Naila.
Right. It's okay. Let's skip that.
Ezra.
Ezra. Yeah.
Yeah, Ezra.
Ezra.
Also,
That's
someone
good
said.
ball.
They're sitting like this because they're really lazy. It's a Saturday morning.
Yeah. You don't fall asleep like this.
Oh yeah, here's a question. How different is the feeling winning national award other than any other award, like Filmfare or Icon?
I think the national award is great because you know you're up against all the films being made all over the country. So it feels wonderful and it's a recognition from you know the entire country.
And they do it really well, you know, and you feel so special when you get it. You know, the room, and they go for rehearsals the day before. You can't back the president and the protocol and all of that. So, and you know, everybody when your names are announced, how they clap and cheer for you, and it's all this wonderful filmmakers.
It's very ceremonious, like, that feeling of
Yeah.
Everyone's
And it's not on, it's not like it's televised, you know.
Get paid and then.
And there's nobody dancing.
Yeah, correct.
And then, nice.
Please ask a nice question, like quickly.
No, they're like this. What is it?
Yeah.
Vidya ma'am, do you work on show like Hum Panch Hai?
No, not really. Because television is too much hard work, you know. I don't know how to do it. I was on a television show yesterday, and before I understood what the scene was, they had finished shooting scene. You know, they shoot it just scene. Yeah, it's easy. I was reading a line and he said, "Chalo, take." And I was like, what? They apparently shoot that thing for 12 and 16 hours a day. I don't think I can do that much.
These will be shot like that. For the film.
Yeah, but
But you know it's for the limited time.
Yeah.
2 months you've done your preparation before. I don't think they have time to process anything on a television set. Or maybe they're so cued in that.
So somebody is asking you to give us 500,000 rupees.
500,000 you know.
Or have you been to the bank with them?
Mine's been in the.
As long as you give us change. Huh?
She is like gold idea.
Someone said something sweet. Arjun, you are such a handsome cop, and Vidya, you are so beautiful, and we got pitched against each other in the movie. But
You should
we
take their names, no?
Yeah,
Those
but
lovely
it just
people.
disappeared with all the hearts.
Oh,
Just
okay.
scrolling. So, but basically, it said that they hope to see you in a romantic bed.
But we do romance each other in this film.
Yeah.
December 2.
Spoiler
Huh?
This is all, I think this is all an act. This thing of, oh, you shouldn't have said that is a red herring.
I didn't say anything.
Just,
I hope that went
just
away like
try
the
Say
hearts.
something out.
just watch Honey 2 on December 2. You know yourself.
But first tell us something. We're really trying to figure out what the story is, what the mystery is. What can you tell us?
That on December 2, Honey 2, in a theatre near
Morning
you,
show.
waiting for you.
You will have your answer.
Calling
Okay,
out to you.
let's wrap this.
Ah.
This last question that says, describe Durga Rai Singh in one word.
Rukia. Rukia has asked.
R-U-K-I. Is that how?
Wanted.
I
Aditya Balan. Then he went close. Nice promotion, yeah. because Kani was really literal, you know.
Yeah.
So he only saw wanted like, she looks pretty innocent. And I'm like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, even I didn't care that it was a Kahani 2 promotion. I just said wanted and had my picture. It felt so good.
And all
Yes,
over,
no,
like,
it was
it's
so
everywhere.
good. Yeah, I would love to hear that post that.
Do it. Be careful what you wish for.
I think we should ask the fans to watch Kahani and then watch Garyappa as well.
Guys and girls, please do watch Garyappa because it's a lot of fun. And watch Kahani on the 2nd of December because it's even more fun.
Go watch it for sure. And lots of love to all of you on Garyappa.
And happy International